Look! Help me!
God save us!
Come here, please. Come help me. Help me.
I don't know when this fog will arrive!
Help me, God!
Have mercy,
Help
God!
me!
Come!
Please, help us.
Take a baby, please!
Help us.
We need you, God! Please help us!
Let's get out of here. Keep this side. Keep this side. Let's go.
Please save us!
Save us.
What are you doing with us?
Come on.
Please save us! Come on! Move out! Come on! Get out! Get out, everyone! Get out! Get up, everyone! Outside! Let's go! Go! Come!
Let's go from there. Let's go from there.
Please take it! I don't know where this trouble came from! Why so? Let's cry! What shall we do now?
Oh Lord, what happened here?
Not too fast! Be careful!
We're just about to reach.
Help me!
Hey!
Please help
I
me!
tell you to stand on my head!
Please help me! Please help!
Hey!
Please help us!
Go away, you bitch!
Please listen to me! Please help me!
Damn woman! Damn!
Please listen.
Get out of my village! Get out!
What are you doing?
Listen!
Oh!
We are being punished because of you, losers! Go away!
God.
Get lost!
Oh,
Go!
don't beat me! Please!
Go away!
No!
Get lost from here! Don't come again! Got it? Get
No,
lost!
please.
Get out!
Come on, son. Come on, first. Anybody please help? Stop, please. Please, please, please help me. Please help me. Please stop the car.
Stop! Stop the car! Someone help me!
Please, anybody help me. Please.
No one can help you
I'm
here.
pregnant.
There's no
Please
nurse
help
here.
me.
Go behind the cemetery.
Doctor.
You'll find a dispensary there. You'll find a doctor. Did you understand? Now go. Go.
Doc, someone is in the labor.
Where has she come from?
Yeah, from the valley over there. Help me! Please save us! I dare you to land on my head! I'm challenging you!
Save. Please save. Anybody please save me.
Here they come! Lifting! Look at this! Come on, help me here! Hurry up! Run!
Don't go there.
Save everyone! Please save us! Everyone will be dying! Run! Run for your life!
What is this lightning thing coming to us?
Here they come!
Come on, get out from here.
Come on, son. Come on, fast. Please stop, son. Look here. Look how cute he is.
Auntie!
Are you okay? Huh? Stay there.
Oh God.
$25 years later.
Let's go there. Quick. Come on, move fast. Let's go. Hurry, quickly. Come on. Rush there.
Hey,
Hey,
What's happening over here? Come on, move!
what is happening?
Move on from here, everyone! I'm telling you, no one will gather over here.
action!
What are you doing, guys? Why this fighting over here?
What's going on?
I said move.
There.
How nonsense.
Please calm down, Mr. Om. Look at me. I'm your doctor.
Action!
What is this? Hello, you!
Come on,
Take
come
him
on,
out.
come on, fast.
Take him out!
Hey, move.
Stay away.
No.
Are you going mad or what?
Hey, go inside.
What are you doing? Oh my God.
Come on, fast. Run. Come inside.
Oh, he just fell on the ground. Why was he fighting?
I don't know what's happening
What is
over here.
this?
Can you check?
Hey, you, come with me. Come inside. Come this side.
Take him to the medication room and
Okay,
call
sir.
the Dr. Omi.
Okay, sir.
Tiao. Her name is Tiao. My name is Tiao. Everybody is Tiao.
Tao. My name is Tao. Her name is Tao. Wait, has she got big tits?
No, she's my
if
wife.
she has,
she is
then
my
we don't
wife.
need other visitors. She can be the cover girl. Thai bedroom story with friend's wife in brackets.
Hey, this is group therapy, not group sex, okay? You all stop bugging around, okay?
Yes, a glimpse of her holding
I'm
her
a magical
tits with
doctor.
her ass
Dr. Om.
titled.
You know?
She
Please
has
stay quiet.
some big
I'm requesting
tits.
you,
Money
please
will
stay
be
quiet.
pouring in my golden ass. I will not allow you to join our group.
I need to end this meeting right now. Mr. Vitun, you can't harass people like this. Else I can't let you sit here.
No mating is okay, but no mating. I don't you think so? Is this right, nurse? Is this right,
Take
nurse?
him out.
Would you nurses like to be the cover
Go back to
girl?
your room.
Eggs and milk may be nutritious, but it can still hang slack. I
Dr.
don't you
Rome,
think so?
Dr. Rome.
No mating is
dare
okay,
talk
but
The
no
professor
mating.
needs you. Romal is out of control
She will
again.
pouring
I'm
in my
telling you,
golden
There's no
egg.
point
Please
standing
control your
there.
anger
Let's move out.
and go back to your
Yes,
room,
she will
Mr.
pouring my
Rubbish.
golden egg.
Hey, leave him.
Are you still dizzy?
Do your own
Huh?
what? Every time talk nonsense. No one is over here to listen to you.
Carefully. Where are you hurt? Are you still feeling dizzy?
Hey, what happened to you?
An extinguisher. It got me when I heard action.
And what about Roman?
Professor is taking care of him in the room.
There is nothing to worry about. You are absolutely fine. He got injured a little. It will be recovered soon. Not to worry.
Let me go. I'm shooting a movie. I'm an artist.
Yeah, please
Let me
come
go.
Show
Hey.
me your hand.
You can't stop me here. Let go.
Sir, please.
Yeah,
Give
same
your role
stuff.
as well.
No sweat for you,
Get
is
down,
it?
sir.
Please help him.
Why are you stopping
you
me?
are the only one who
Hey,
can help him.
I'm an artist.
Treat him as soon as
Somebody
possible.
get me my camera,
You
quick.
are really
Okay,
pleased.
Professor.
What has happened to
Be
you?
quiet.
Why aren't you listening? I am an artist. I'm an artist. You can't keep me here. It's wrong.
I told you, these patients have to be tied down. Give them drugs and electric shock if necessary. But nobody listened to me. What I told you, you have to compulsory listen.
Yes, ma'am.
Daily electric shock will help them, alright? Another injury? What's with you, young man? This shouldn't hurt. Let
You are
bygones
always right,
be
ma'am.
bygones. Keep eye on him.
Please let me go from here. I just want to go home.
Where is that patient? Do the electric shock. An ECT. Tie him down. Did you understand what I'm telling?
Yes,
Wait a
ma'am.
moment. He has already calmed down. Dr. Omi has somehow tried to calm him down.
I don't believe in psychic healing. Doctors and patient are both nuts. Go. Quickly. Give him electric shock. Did you understand?
Okay, ma'am.
No. 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 Leave me.
Okay, slowly, slowly. Let's take it
Let
away.
me go.
Lie down, lie down.
Please let me
Lie
go.
down.
I
Hold
won't
his
do it
hand.
again.
Lie down, I'm
Please.
saying. Oh,
Don't tie me.
now, hold
Let
him.
me
No
go.
movement.
Please.
I said no
Let go.
movement, okay?
Just
No
shut
shouts.
him up.
Spare me.
His voice is
Spare me.
This is
irritating me.
unnecessary.
Close your
You're
mouth,
troubling him.
I won't
This
do
will
it
harm
again.
him more.
Please. Let me go.
Dr. Ree,
Let me
help
go.
me. Just
No.
come here. Lock him down.
Why are you
Just
tying
take
me?
and lock
Hold
him
it.
down.
Let me go.
If he loses
Please.
out,
I
I
would
would
rather
be in
suggest
trouble.
to make him unconscious rather than tie him.
Do
That'd be much
what I
better.
say. You are new
Right.
here.
I think
How
the
would you
same.
know, huh?
I know that you are an expert on electric shock. Wouldn't mind if you charge my brain sometime.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Now blow all the candles.
Many, many happy
Wish you
returns of
very
the day.
happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Dr. Omi, you can join us.
Yay.
Please join us.
Blow out the
Enjoy.
candles.
Okay, just blow the candle.
Over there, everyone has given you a gift, but I haven't, which I think I should.
With your psychic powers, you can definitely gift anyone telepathically, am I right?
Oh, please don't make a joke. Telepathy is not an answer for it. I know that you deserve a lot more than my psychic powers. This may be small, but it's with heavy emotions, so I request you to accept it.
Thank you for the gift.
One more thing. We work in the same place. Our birth month is also same, so my birthday will be in few days.
So what's so strange? Do you want to say that I should gift you too?
No, it's not like that. But if you want to give, then yes. I'll take that.
Nurse, give him thioxin. And segregate him so that he can sleep all night. And you get night shift to watch him. Is it clear?
Go. Go.
Hey, I'm waiting for you.
Hi.
Last night, a patient was brought and he's from your hometown. He has severe neurotic depression. I think he's very serious. And for his treatment, I would need your help.
Same kind of stuff.
Yeah, the same kind of stuff.
But has the director arrived? You know, she hates both of us.
Don't be afraid. What good is she? She only knows how to do politics here. She can't cure. Come on, let's go. Come. The X-ray and CT scan shows nothing. He just lies like this and doesn't move. Those who came with him were from an NGO in your hometown.
From a foreign NGO? There is one there, so just asking.
Shall we try our method on him? What is it, Doc?
Nothing.
Hey! Dr. Omi! Leave him!
Go! What's happening over here? Leave him!
Quick! Help!
I'm telling you, leave him! Hey, listen to me! Hold him tight! Leave him, I'm telling you, he will die! You! Leave him! Hey, what are you doing? I'm telling you, leave me!
Lie down!
You! Take it away!
What happened?
Press it!
Dr. Omi!
Hey!
Are you alright?
Please calm down! Calm down! Hold him tight!
Doctor, can you hear me? Get a stretcher.
What's going on?
And keep him compromising immediately.
I think it's over.
Hold him tightly!
Come on, fast.
Come on, hurry up!
Come
Come on!
Come on, fast.
Yes! Fast! That way! That way! Yeah!
Hey, what's happening here? What has happened to Dr. Om?
A patient attacked him. He was choked before we could separate them. Now his treatment going on.
Dr. Om! Dr. Om! Dr. Om! Give him oxygen. How much is the blood pressure?
130 by 10. The heart rate is normal.
Maintain oxygen.
Yes.
How are you feeling now?
Hello, which place is this?
She will be always mine.
Tell me, is she here? She always
What happened to
comes
Dr.
alone.
Ome?
Tell me.
Why is he talking like that?
A glimpse of her tits with her as titled.
Wow, she will look great naked on
Hold
the
him tight.
cover.
Hold him tight,
Come on,
don't
open
let
it.
Hey, what is
What is
this?
he doing? Hold him.
Why did you
Hold him
stop
down.
me?
Come on,
Why are
get
you
him out,
holding
make
my
him lie down.
hands?
Hey,
Hey,
down, I
son,
said.
a glimpse of her. You holding her tits
Get
with
out.
her
Doing
ass
some
tilted.
more.
God, he's
It
talking
would
like
look so
Tomar.
fine.
God, he's talking
I
like
just
Vidhu.
want that.
Stay quiet.
Why are you
Hold him tight.
holding me?
People.
Sit back.
Just leave me.
Dr.
I
Om's
want
patient.
that. Money will
Get
be
out.
pouring in my
Move
golden
down.
hands.
Hold him.
It would look so nice.
I'm telling you, move!
What is it now?
Please hold him.
More trouble? Let me see.
Hey, listen. I want that.
Hold
He is
your
going
hand.
Just for the
crazy.
cover.
Let's shock both
Why are
Dr.
you
Om
holding
and
my
his
hand?
professor. That should
Hold
lure
him
them
Hold
out
him down.
superstitious.
hold him
Come on,
down.
do
Hold him
it.
down.
Give him electric shock fast.
Relax.
Come on.
Leave me.
Whom do you want to
I
treat?
only
Tell me.
want for the cover.
You are pretending like
Why
this
aren't
that
you
you don't
listening
know
me?
what's going on here.
Leave me. Wanna be on the cover? You are my type. You can do it.
Oh my god, what's happening?
Hey, Dr. Omi.
Insane.
Come on, stop him. Dr. Omi, what are you doing?
What's happening?
Dr. Omi, leave her.
What is he doing?
Crazy man.
God.
Take him out.
No.
Hey, you.
I don't
Someone
like your
separate
taste.
them.
You are too old.
Happening here.
Oh God, what are you doing?
You.
Hold him again.
No, let it go.
Hold him.
Go
Where is he running?
fast and catch him.
Grab
He
him.
kissed me in front of
Ma'am,
everyone.
are you fine?
Hey,
You.
come back.
Hey, he's running away.
Ma'am,
Hold him.
We have to stop him.
Stop him. Stop him. Stop him.
Stop.
You.
Camera is ready. Lights are ready.
First give him electric shock.
Action.
What is
Hey,
Hey.
stop. Hey, hold on. Yeah,
My
hold on.
friend.
Look,
This is
look, I'm a
Pibu.
friend, Om.
My
Pibu.
friend, do you remember me?
Yes, I do.
Sure.
Yes, he remember.
Heartless savage. Cut.
Yeah.
Give him shock treatment. Tie him down and don't let him lose again.
You can't do that. He's a doctor.
A crazy doctor has to be cured. This wild behavior needs shock treatment, right?
That's very unnecessary. He must have stressed out working all day long. Some rest and medication should do the trick.
Are you crazy? Electric shock treatment? Only trained professional doctors can use that.
Yes, I am professional doctor. Watch him carefully. If he is creating problem, I will give him shock treatments. And I am good at it.
Quick, get a stretcher. Watch Dr. Pibun too. Quick, Dr. Ree. Come on. Come on. This side.
Back the
Yeah, you'll
lights
be
and
fine. Come on.
camera. We are moving location. Why so many people are here? They bully us artists.
Okay,
Go on,
easy.
tighten
Hold
it.
him tight.
You want to break my balls?
easy, hold him tight.
You bulls. I will put your naked
his
wife
hand.
on the cover. You don't know me. I can do
Please calm down. Keep your
anything.
mouth shut.
Is the camera on?
Give him Peridol before he
Hey,
gets
wait.
what
worse.
are you
Stop
doing?
him, I'm
I
saying.
want to take the
Hello,
scene.
Peridol. Are you sure?
Calm
That's
down.
too
Come on,
strong.
start the shooting.
We have to give this medicine.
Listen to me.
Otherwise no medicine will
I
work.
want big boobs. And that's the requirement.
Let me do that.
I will shoot that. I will put her on the cover. Aphrodisiac. No, it won't work on me. Better give me an antidepressant. I'm already up to my ears.
Quiet, please. Or else you will get it. You have to behave.
Are you serious?
Keep quiet.
It's okay. I will keep quiet.
He's quiet now. There's no need for it. Just give him some medicine. And let him rest. He will be fine by tomorrow.
Okay, doctor.
What are you looking at? Go and jab your mama's ass, you dickhead. Don't dare to come near me.
What has happened to him, Professor?
I don't know. I really don't know. The patient deliberately went to attack Dr. Omi.
What about the multiple personalities that Dr. Om adopted?
Well, he's in shock right now. He's close to the patients. Their personalities linger on his subconscious mind.
Come on, let's move, doctor.
Where? Where we are going?
Arey, come on, doctor. I'm saying you.
I'm not going.
I come here
I
to
don't
help
want to
you.
go.
Come on, move. You want to meet Dabu or not? Huh? Tell me. Then let's go.
Okay.
You stop! Where are you going? Wait!
Hey, someone
Alex,
hold him.
someone catch him!
How come he come out of the room?
I think he's running away!
Hold him. Catch him.
He's going down! Someone catch him!
Catch him! Don't let him
Catch
go.
him.
Catch him! Catch him!
Call someone else also.
Now what kind of chaos here? It's mental hospital or zoo? I just can't understand. Hey, whose patient he is?
There.
Come on, catch them! Catch Dr.
God,
Om and
yes,
Visa,
yes,
quick!
go! Just go!
Quick, catch them!
Hey, stop there! Hurry up and catch him! Catch him now!
Are you alright?
Hey, what are you doing, man? Are you insane or what?
Hey!
Crazy person. Come on. Easy.
Hey, what are you doing?
Take it and come on, change. Go fast.
Two patient is escape himself. You must get them, chief. One patient and Dr. Om. They both are mentally disturbed. And who can endanger the public. That's why I'm telling you. You must get them.
Doctor, just look at me and do what I'm doing, okay? Come on. I hereby become a disciple to serve and learn the magic of Dr. Khan, okay? Say after me, okay?
What are you saying?
Hey man, just say after me. I'm ready to help you because you are fit to learn magic. Even I'm also ready. Teleportation, exhaustion, charms, making baby ghosts. These all things. You know, right? And you are the right person for this kind of work, okay? And I know this very well, okay? And so you have to listen to me, okay? You got it? Now do it, okay? Put your hands together.
What about Tao?
Hey, that's nothing at all, man.
No, I want Tao. I want
Hey, you
Tao.
listen to me. Hey, man, where are you going?
Dr. Omi. Dr. Omi. He is not here. So where is he now? We have to go and visit each and every patient's home and find him anyhow.
Yes, I'm coming!
Hey Tao, I miss you and our kid.
Mom!
Are you mad? Oh God! Oh!
Hey,
Leave
Dad,
me! What are you doing?
I love you.
Oh, someone help me!
Ivan,
Oh God, leave!
Steven.
Oh, help!
I miss you.
Listen to me.
Go, stay back. Go away from me.
Listen. Hey, you out there. Listen to me.
Hey,
Stop. I'm saying stop. Come out.
No, wait, don't!
Wait.
No, don't!
Shoot him.
God!
Hey, wait.
Stop! Don't shoot! Please!
What is this?
Tao.
I am telling you, just stop! Don't shoot!
Oh, it hurts.
Hey, obviously it will hurt. Thanks to God, you saved your life. I told you not to go there. Show me. Huh? Oh my God. This is nothing, man. I know the magic. I'll do the magic and it will be all okay? I'll do the magic, okay?
Where are we?
How would I know, man? You're mad, really. You do anything. You ask so many questions. But listen to me. You do whatever you want to do, but don't try to become me, okay? Otherwise, I will go mad. Who are you and who I am? You were treating crazy people. That's why you also become crazy. I think someone has done black magic on you. Nothing to worry. I know the reason how to solve it, okay? I know everything. And you will be all okay?
Just inform everyone. Catch Dr. Om and Khan when they return. Hold them, then call me. I will treat them myself.
Okay.
Come on, driver. Let's go. When they arrived, please call me. It's okay, go. Let's go.
Doctor, easy, okay? If you get caught and he will treat you, then it will cost you a lot. Be careful, doctor, be careful. Easy, doctor. Easy. Come on.
I think it will take another day to visit all the patients in the file.
By the way, where's Khan's house?
Oh, you're right.
Oh, easy. Okay, come. Hide yourself. Easy. Open slowly. Huh? Oh my God, what is this? Save yourself.
Dr. E, watch out!
Doctor, what you have done? You know all these tricks? Huh? You know how to fly also?
Run fast!
Come on.
Oh my
Hey,
God, come.
There they are. Stop them.
Run.
Stop them.
Leave me.
Just
leave
fast.
me.
Stop them.
Please,
Don't let them go.
just hurry up.
Grab hold of him.
Hey, you. Leave me.
Hold him. Hold him down. Where's the other one? He went down.
Dr. Omi! Hey,
Hold
Dr.
him.
Omi!
Hey. There he is.
Go
What's
for
going
this
on
side.
here?
Hurry up.
Let's go.
Catch him.
Catch him.
Wait.
Doctor,
He's right there.
please don't run.
Hey, you, doctor.
Hey, where are you running?
Surround him. Don't allow him to run away.
Dr. Omi, listen!
He's
Catch
going.
him. Catch him.
Wait,
He's running
escape.
away.
Dr. Omi!
Come on, bro. What
Omi!
are you doing, bro?
Go from there.
Dr.
from that
Omi!
Come with me.
Hey, you. Hey, please leave me. I have not done
please
anything.
don't run.
Please leave
Oh.
me. I know the
Where
magic.
are you
Okay,
going?
don't catch me. Hey, listen to me.
Come on.
I have
Hey,
not done
do you know
anything.
where's Dr. Omi?
Huh?
Hey, you.
Can you tell me?
Hey, I don't know where's Dr. Om. I know magic. I do magic. Hey, I'll do magic. Hey, listen to me. I'm not lying. Hey, leave me, please.
Hey girl, you must sit tight. It might pop out. It's about popcorn. Hey sis, can't you find a man? Huh? How can you sit so far apart? Hello? How can you sit so far? Hey, tell me. Oh, hey. Why are you sitting so far? Just jump on him and ride him like a horse. Then jump. Oh. Are you interested in a tongue specialist? I could lick a durian into a melon.
Sir, I'm seriously telling you, Dr. Om is the murderer. We never had this problem before he came. That's when the telepathy stuff started. Don't waste time investigating. Just catch him and send him to trial. Please try to understand me. He is a very dangerous for public. And here's all psycho patients will improve because I know everything. He is the psycho
What?
killer.
How can you say he's a psycho?
Huh?
You've just arrived. How would she know what happened? Please don't jump to conclusions. There are many witnesses. Everybody is making different stories. Please don't listen to her. You can question anyone whom you want to. No one is being killed.
Everyone, please move aside. Inspector Pasan just arrived from Om's village.
Hello, Doc.
Hello,
How are you?
greetings.
Actually, an NGO has sent a patient here. His name is Sao. I'm here to investigate that patient all the way from there.
Listen, Sao is already dead.
I know. Here. After Sao left his village, 98 other villagers became like him. All they do is sit in a trance. And our doctor says that they are neurotic. They need psychiatric help. Completely neurotic. All of them need complete psychiatric help.
According to Khan, Dr. Om is on his way back and will reach here soon.
We are just about to reach. The village is just beyond those bushes.
You know doctor know how to fly. He must have reached his destination.
What's happening? Why is it windy all of a sudden?
Hey, do one thing. Keep praying. Keep praying for the God. He's the only one who can save us. Okay? He's the only one who can save us. Please, please. Hey, stop!
Hey, it's all nonsense.
Don't insult the supreme power. This is wrong.
Should we stop and have a look first?
I'm saying keep chanting mantra. That will help you.
Oh my God!
Hey, please save us, God. Please save us, God. Hey, please save us, God. Oh!
God! Brakes are not working.
What?
The steering is not working. God! Doctor!
Wait. Stop. You're gonna kill us all. We'll all die. What are you doing? You can't drive. Oh my God. Oh, no. God, please save us. God, please save us. Oh God, please. The supreme power, please, God. Please, God. You don't know how to drive, you nut.
Where are those people gone?
Hey, they were not human. They were devil. Devil, keep chanting mantra. I'm running away. We can't fight them. We have to run away.
Stop this nonsense. What ghost would appear in the daytime?
You know the power of ghost?
No, I haven't. But I have spoken to one of them.
They were my friends. They all become ghosts. Understand?
Naturally. Why else would they be called ghosts, idiot?
Listen. Let's get the car out of this mud hole.
Okay, 1, 2,
Once more.
1, 2,
Try again.
3.
Once more.
Khan, please help, Khan.
May I help you?
Come on, push.
I can't help you.
Come on,
I'm going
help.
by.
Where are you going? Come back. Come on, quick, Inspector.
Hey, listen to me, Khan! Khan! Please don't go anywhere!
What is wrong with him? He keeps running like that. Is he mad? One day he could get me into trouble. I authorized him to go out and now the director will caution me.
What is it, Sergeant?
Every villager is dead. I don't know if we can clear all the bodies before dark.
Hey,
Don't get someone to move
the
them.
bodies from
And the
there.
ones behind too.
bring them here.
Go a little early.
Help me. Listen. What happened here?
I will tell you, sir. Sir, people here don't know anything. They were sitting in trance, then just died en masse. As if ghosts killed them. Now the survivors say that these people who died were killed by a ghost. I don't know. I feel like this is a mass suicide.
Oh my God. Run. God, please save me. God, please save me. God, please save me.
Nobody had an issue other than Chow when we reached there that time.
That is strange.
For me, it's very common. Chow is a drunkard. By the way, do you know about astrology? It's an effect of astrology. And the human mind can't face this. For this, much more power is needed. What about children like Sao? They were just sitting in a trance. And then they died. I haven't been back to the village since sending Sao to Bangkok. How is it possible? That's all for now. That's all for now. If you can give me more information, I would be very much obliged. Thank you so much. Let's all go. Certainly. No problem at all. Goodbye.
Thank you.
Hit them, hit them. Don't leave them. Hit them hard. Hit them hard.
Leave.
Hit them.
Sir, those people are doing it again. They are all sitting in a trance like an epidemic. No one listens to anything. Everyone in trance.
Which village is it?
Sir, that village is near an ancient cemetery.
Come on, let's go, Inspector.
Sir, Lieutenant wondered why nobody from this village came to help us this afternoon. It was so strange because the villages are so near. No one from the whole village even come to see. They are all worried about the past incident. They feel that if they come here, then they will be killed. There were only two these people who dared to come to this place.
Have you done a survey? Someone might have eluded this. No one, Inspector.
How can we do, doctor? Everyone over here, from children to adults, all are like dead bodies.
What is going on, Doc?
Give me a flashlight.
Is it toxic psychosis, Professor?
It is possible.
What is it?
We all have to be scientific. Those villagers might have simultaneously received toxic substances that could have affected them, especially their brains. The brains could have somehow caused the trance, or it might have caused hallucination, which could have led to suicide or group suicide that have already happened elsewhere, which could have led to all this. But I'm not really sure why these incidents are happening. And I'm really not able to understand.
Water and food samples are needed for laboratory analysis in Bangkok.
We will definitely need your help. Dr. Ree and I have to stay here tonight. I don't want to see any more deaths happening.
In my 40 years of living here till near retirement, I have never seen anything this strange. The closest thing would be the meteor that fell near here 20 years ago. There it fell onto ancient pagoda, near the old pavilion. People say it is haunted, but I think nothing of it. I just pay my respects when I walk past. Because if the god is pleased, then everything can become peaceful. This phenomenon has been going on for a long time. Who knows what's happening in nature? Hypnotism is possible technically.
Is any other explanation possible for all this? Besides the contamination of food or drink? Hypnotism is possible technically, but mass hypnotism is highly improbable.
Hypnotism is possible, but mass hypnotism is highly impossible. I mean to say that anything like this happening is quite rare.
Do you know someone called Om? He was born around here. He knows everything.
Oh no. No one calls Om around here. Only the usual names like Boon and Bua around here. And no one calls to anyone Om.
Inspector! 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 Bualong and his friends are gone. Really? Yes, sir. Let's go. Who and how many are gone?
Come on, let's go. Be careful.
Are there more people missing? Check them carefully.
Tao. Quiet! Where are you from?
What are you doing here?
Tao?
Do you want to die?
Kanta!
Will you hide or will you die?
Mom.
How could they walk out of here when the rest of them are sitting over here?
Die. They must die.
What sudden wind is this? Find shelter, quick! Quick!
Yes.
Quick, find shelter! Quick!
Sudden wind.
Be
Is there
careful!
a storm coming? Find shelter, quick!
Sit down!
Quick, let's sit there. Come on.
Let's hide! Oh. It looks like the storm is terrible!
Karen! It's enough, Karin! Just stop!
Listen! Everybody come here! Yes, this side! Quickly!
Let's go.
Come on,
Let's
come
see
on,
what's
come on,
there.
everyone.
Come on, come
out.
on.
Over here, at the
Let me
backyard.
see you.
Just a little
Where's this
inside.
man?
All come here to die!
Let's go.
Look at the condition of all these corpses. It looks like someone burned him alive. I don't know how this is happening. I'm not able to understand anything.
What happened to them? What's this? Everyone is dead. They all came here to die. The ones who were missing, they vanished in the storm.
Come out now!
So this is how it is. Now I understood. All because of this. You are dead. You're a ghost. Don't come near me. Don't. No.
Don't be scared. I'm not a ghost. And I'm not even a human. No! No! Ah!
No! No!
It's because of my brother's power that my soul is alive. But body and soul are not the same. No one can save the body from rotting. Karin tempted me to live in this cave below that ancient cemetery. With my mother's skeleton. He's an animal. Since then, I am just living here. But after that, I had no other option. That I can go somewhere else. The chemicals did not even let my body rot.
But then, why did you hurt me?
Because you hurt me. Please help me. Please
Come on, come on! Let's get out of here! What happened?
Please help me, anybody.
Kill him!
Please stop the car. Please help me.
Please hide!
Macav has hurt me.
Macau? Macau, how could that be? Just tell me, how did we hurt you? Dr. Om! Hey, listen!
We can't stay here. They are not human. They are ghosts. Not a single one is human. They are spirits. You can't fight with them, okay? But there's a way. You have to accept me as your master. Tell me, doctor, I will make you a great wizard. Then you will be able to transform everything. Look, you can turn rice into magical cooked rice. You can turn rice and sand into weapons. Do you understand? I mean, whatever you want to do, you can achieve everything, man. Yes, got it? Do one thing. Take this ancient holy text and read them. There are so many powerful mantras in this. You need a quiet place to read it, okay? But not here. This place is very dangerous. You can't read it over here. This place is full of danger. Now I'm going off. Okay, see you. Come on, pick everyone from here. Who all these people are over there? Come on, bring the stretcher.
Just look.
Yes, inside.
What's in that kid's hand?
So many bodies over here.
A pamphlet from
Bring
an
them
NGO.
out, everyone.
She's holding it so tight.
It might have been
Come on, move everyone,
handed out
fast.
when they came for the play.
Was it the NGO that sent Sao to the hospital?
They performed a play at the other village where we moved all the dead bodies yesterday, sir. Last night they all performed at the Hilltop village.
Was the play so sad that they all killed themselves?
Don't joke about this.
Which hilltop village was the play performed at the last night?
I don't understand anything.
Do you know Dr. Om from a very long time?
What we had seen these few days, everything is quite possible.
Please see, all around. Who knows if we'll find someone alive?
Everything here is same as the villages below. The dust storm followed by the death. It's unbelievable. I can't believe I'm seeing all this. The supernatural is beyond our hands, Dr. Ree.
Could it be caused by the NGO? If we know the cause, we might prevent it from spreading. In that case, we would be confronting it. It is very dangerous. I don't want to put you at risk. I am worried. Your life might be in danger. So please, get out of here quick. I hope you understand.
That's right.
Sergeant,
It would be better.
just me would be better.
Yes, sir.
So drive Dr. Vary back out of here.
Yes, sir.
And bring some more men to clear the
Okay,
bodies.
We have done all the preparation. There is nothing to worry. Everything will be all right. There are more people coming to help
Look,
us.
there are radio stations for backup at the NGO.
Do you know a person called Mako?
Yes, you said it right. There are many women by that name around here. Similar names are common in this area.
Her son had won a medical scholarship as well. Do you know him? He's your son's friend as well, right? I'm sure you must have met him.
Is he your daughter's friend? Please leave from here. What is the many cows? Come here. Come on, let's go. Oh, good. Yeah. Look.
Who is there? Who is there?
I have to do this.
I just can't do it. My eyes are bad. I can't see and I wouldn't understand it.
Don't blink. Don't shake your head. If you see a sign, just call the doctor.
This is the correct way, right?
Look, don't worry. I know this road pretty well.
Now, this is the last lesson for those cruel people, for those who has taken lives of those who have troubled us. There's no need to worry, people. And just in few moments, we will get justice.
This tells a moral story. So you guys don't doubt it. But think seriously about fire worshippers.
If anyone you will find strange, just catch him.
Stop here.
Oh,
Yeah,
why does
stop
it
here.
have to stop?
Dr. Om? Dr. Om?
Happy birthday to you.
I will take you to Mecca's. Come on.
Happy birthday to you. Happy
Let's go.
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Let's go. Come on, hurry up. Come
Happy
on, let's go.
birthday to you.
Here, come here. Come on, get in the car.
I love Dr. Ree. I don't love Tao. I love Dr. Ree. Really?
Yeah, okay. Get inside.
The ones who wander should not be left. We need revenge. We have to take revenge. Sacrifice them.
All merciless people shall pay! And people will face me. So whoever has the courage come in front of me. I challenge you to all. Who has drunk his mother's milk? Come in front of me.
No!
Kanta! 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 Kanta!
Now I can't go back in the cave.
Which way from here?
Don't attack! Ah! Move!
Why you wish to kill everyone on earth?
This world, these people, one day no one will survive. And this planet, it will wander off like a meteor. Why shouldn't I help speed up? Die! I only have you and mom in my life. Tomorrow the stars will be in alignment. The sky will be ablaze like the day the meteor fell 20 years ago. I will revive you and mom. You will not have to depend on these minerals to nurture your body. You will become a beautiful woman again. We will be the happiest family again.
Dr. Om! Dr. Om! Come on, fast. They may be still around over here. They are like zombies. They were watching a devilish play. When they were hit by lightning, they become paralyzed. You can't fight with them at any cost. They will defeat us. I'm telling you. We have to run from here. Come on, doctor. Come on, move. Come on. Come on fast, doctor. Recite your numinous text to fight them. These people are very dangerous. We can't easily defeat them, you know. But you know what we have to do? We have to chant mantras from our holy book. Hey man, how can I make you understand? If you can't chant the mantras, you will not win. Yes, from this book. All these spirits, they get scared from these mantras, from this holy book.
Dr. Ree! Dr. Ree! Dr. Ree!
With this book and the help of archaeological department, we chant these mantras and call all the spirits our guides who help us fight the evils. Those spirits, they guide us through thick and thin. Our ancestral spirits help us to stay on the right path of our respective lives and stop us from wandering off under the evil shadows. Watch them at all times. No napping, not even a nod. Whoever shows a sign, call the doctor or me immediately. Is that clear, everyone?
Have oxygen tanks on standby and practice the CPR method right now. Got it?
Dr. Om! Hurry up! Hurry up, come here! Be careful, doctor. Ancient astrology says that people who share the same time of birth will have similar fates, including death. Dr. Om, be careful, but don't take too much time. I'm telling you, listen to me, Dr. Om! I'm telling you, listen to me. Be careful, doctor! Oh! Dr. Om! Hey, listen! There is an old saying, trust no fog, so in its midst. The dog can be dogged by danger. Dr. Om, that holy book will always save you. That holy book will help you. Take help from that holy book. That will help you a lot. Dr. Om, you remember I told you there's so much danger over here. You remember? Something's wrong over here. Doctor, save. Hey, you. Doctor, please save me, doctor. Hey, you. I know Kung Fu. You. Something good has happened.
Doctor,
I see. Prepare oxygen tanks right now.
let's help. Whoever goes, just
Dr.
do
Ree.
CPR.
Dr. Ree, no,
It is bad.
Dr. Ree, stay with
There
me.
is no pulse. Mom,
Please help me. I'm pregnant. I'm in labor. Please. Please help me. Please, everybody, please help me.
Doctor! Oh, doctor, please save me! Oh my god! Doctor! Doctor, please save me! Doctor, be careful, they're all ghosts! Fight with them, doctor! Fight with them, doctor! Fight with them! Yes! You are the hero, doctor!
Please don't hurt me. I have to go. I'm in labor pain.
Mom! Mom!
Doctor! Doctor, fight them! Doctor, don't leave them! Doctor! Fight, doctor!
Please help me.
Doctor, kill
Please,
them,
anybody
please.
help me. Please help me.
Mom!
I'm pregnant.
Mom.
I'm in labor pain.
Doctor Om.
Please help me.
Mom.
Doctor.
I have to go to hospital.
Mom, wait!
I'm in very bad
Stay away!
condition.
Kareen! Kareen!
You go back from here. Go!
Mom! Mom!
Please help me.
Mom!
Please help me.
Mom!
I'm about to deliver. Please help.
Mom!
Please help.
Mom, stop running!
Dr. Ree, breathe, come on.
It is hopeless. Mom! 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 Mom!
Dr. Om! Chant the mantra, doctor! Chant the mantra, doctor! Chant the mantra!
Mom! 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 Mom, stop running!
Please help me. Please. Somebody please help
Mom!
me. I'm pregnant.
Mom! Come back! Mom!
Help me, please. Please, someone help me.
Hey, Inspector! Inspector!
Quick, quick, quick! Get them up, get them up!
Doctor Om,
Bring
where
them
are
here.
you?
Bring them here. And get some water from there.
Bloody!
Go,
Haven't
quick.
even retired it? You want me dead?
Get them here. Lie them down here.
Doctor Om,
Get
where
them
are
up
you?
quick. They're hurt.
Doctor Om! Where are you, Doctor Om? Doctor! Doctor
Dr.
Om!
Om! Dr. Om!
Dr. Om!
Doctor
Dr.
Om!
Om!
It doesn't feel right to me.
Khan? Hey! Where's Dr. Omi?
Where is Dr. Om? He killed all the devils. All devils are buried in soil. Now we don't have any danger from any devils.
Hey! Stop!
Don't leave him.
I said stop!
Kill him. Don't leave him.
Can't you hear?
Don't
Kill
leave
them,
him.
kill them, don't leave them.
Kill
Kill them.
Kill
Kill them. Don't leave them.
Inspector,
Don't do
what
that.
are they doing?
Hey, wait.
Kill them all.
Why are you killing all the dead people?
Kill them.
They died already.
Nobody
They
should
all
do
died.
Do this.
Kill
What are
them.
you
Hey,
doing?
move away.
Don't spare anyone.
Listen to me, what I'm saying.
Can't you hear? You can't do that. Go away. Go away.
Leave them.
Kill them.
Leave them.
Hit them.
Don't leave them. Kill
Go
them.
from here.
Cut them into
Don't
pieces,
do this.
small pieces. Don't leave anyone.